There's some gold in these, so just take them out. The same thing for the tips. Usually these are gold. In this case, they're not. Usually what I do, I cut them off and get 90 cents a pound on the connectors off Boardsort. For people who don't know Boardsort, boardsort.com, great site. So cut all these wires. There you go. You have a nice little wire pile. Take out the USB ports, sound ports. There you go. These definitely have gold in them. I just checked. It's kind of hard to see, but these are gonna go in my connectors pile.